If your Gala Games node goes offline, you will now get an email. With this notification, you can quickly fix things and get your node back online. But what do you do if you're not home when you get that email? Running Gala Games nodes earns you Gala cryptocurrency daily and a chance to receive NFTs from across the Gala Games network. The latest Gala Games node software, version 2.0.4, currently in pre-release as of the filming of this video, will now send you an email if one of your nodes goes offline for any reason. This highly requested feature makes it easy to know when a node is down, so you can quickly get your node back up and running without missing any rewards. What if you get one of these notifications and you're nowhere near your computer? Then what? Believe it or not, you can actually access the VPS or home PC that your node is running on from your phone. For the demonstration in this video, I'm going to assume that you're running your node on a VPS from PIVPS. Although if you're running your node on another VPS or on your home computer, the steps would be similar. The first thing we need to do is download Microsoft Remote Desktop to our phone. Then we can get it all set up to talk to our VPS. Let's head over to the PIVPS website to get our login info. We will need the IP address from our VPS instance and the administrator password. In the Microsoft Remote Desktop app on our phone, we'll tap the plus icon in the upper right, then choose Add PC. From here, tap on hostname or IP address and enter the IP address for our VPS instance. Then tap the back arrow in the upper left. Next, we'll add our user account. Tap on Ask when required, and then Add User Account. For username, type administrator, then the administrator password for our VPS. If you only have one node, you can leave the friendly name field blank. However, if you have multiple nodes, and thus multiple administrator accounts on multiple VPS, you may want to use the friendly name field to label your administrator account so that you know which VPS it is for. Otherwise, your username list will look something like this, and you'll have no idea which one to pick. Now, we tap on the optional link next to friendly name and put in something like Gala Games Node, or whatever label you want. And since we are logging in as an administrator, go ahead and turn on admin mode. That should do it for our setup, so click Save in the upper right. Now let's go ahead and click on this to get logged into our VPS and get our node back up and running. And it's initiating our connection. And here we are, logged into a Windows VPS with our phone. Pretty cool. As you can see, as the email told us, it doesn't look like our node is running right now. Since we're actually controlling a Windows machine through this app, we can't just click anywhere on the screen. We actually need to move the mouse pointer with our finger. Don't worry, you don't need to have your finger on the little mouse arrow. Anywhere on the screen will do. And then just slide your finger to move the mouse pointer over to the Gala Games node icon. And then double click, or double tap, I guess. Cool, now we're in the login screen for our node. This is where it gets a little bit more difficult to deal with. First, we need to move our mouse pointer over the email field. Then tap to make sure the field is selected. Then, we tap on this keyboard icon at the top and start typing. Make sure to check that it's actually filling in the field with your typing. If it's not, you'll need to reselect the field. Then, do the same to fill in our password and hit the return key to submit the form. And there we go. Our node is back up and running. All this without even touching a computer. Thanks to the notification email and this great video from Gala Node Guide, we were able to fix the issue in time to get our daily Gala cryptocurrency reward. The day is saved. The last thing we need to do is click on this remote desktop icon at the top and then disconnect all PCs. And that's it. Pretty cool, don't you think? I look forward to hearing from you in the comments below. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.